I have never seen nothing like this. They got a robot mowing the lawn. What? This gotta be the biggest finesse ever. Nah, I might need this. What? Let's see what it do. He is moving a little slow. I can definitely mow faster than him, but to not have to do it, I mean, you see how big the yard is, so like I get it, but like you got a robot mowing the lawn while you're at work. Get off work, the lawn is freshly mowed. Put this guy back on the charger. That's crazy. No, that's actually a great investment. I cannot lie. You're doing a good job, bro.